Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all some productivity tips that'll help you increase your productivity whether you're a student, a worker, or just a person hustling in life. These are some of my favorite tips that are very basic to follow and quite useful as well. Now, before starting this video, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, Top Rankers. Top Rankers has sponsored this segment of the video. Now, Top Rankers is an online coaching platform that has the best educators that'll help you out clear your entrance exams and even college exams as well, because you not only have entrance exams to clear but also some of the college entrance exams to clear. Now, Top Rankers have different segments for your coaching. Let's say if you're preparing for law exams, then they have Legal Edge and Judiciary Gold, which has courses to help you clear out your CLAT exams. All of these courses have proper teaching, learning, and of course mock test and test series. Apart from this, they have Super Grads, that is for your IPM or IPMAT exams, which is again quite difficult to crack. They also have Creative Edge, where you basically have coaching for your creative exams like NID, NIFT, design exams. They provide you with the best coaching from the comfort of your home. Because of the pandemic, everything has become online, and finding a good, trustworthy online classes are very important, and I would completely recommend Top Rankers. They provide you with the best guidance for your entrance exam, and they also have various test series and mock series, which gives you an exam-like feel, and of course you get to know where exactly you stand on and what all things you need to improve in. They also have college entrance exam coaching, which is quite important as well. So in case you want to enroll for any of their courses, you can use my code Himani to get 10% off on any of their courses from toprankers.com. I'll link everything in the description box below, so do check it out. Now, without further ado, let's get started with our video. Now, my first tip to help you with your productivity would be to have a clean workspace or a clean study space, whatever category you are in. Usually what happens, we are so much involved in our lives that we forget about decluttering, and small things like notebooks, pens, bills keep on piling up on the places where actually our most productive work hours are done. It can be your study space, your workspace, your dining table, your laptop place, whatever you want to call it. So it's always important that you start decluttering it and have space for everything. Organize it. Let me know if you want to see videos on organization. And this also includes your bed, because if you have a lot of cluttered bed and cluttered workspace, your productivity is anyway going to go down. So start working on decluttering and keeping your space and your entire home clean every single day. Next tip would be, of course, planning. How can I not include planner in my videos? If you follow me since a long time, you guys know how much I focus on planning. In fact, wherever I go, I always encourage people to start, their planner and start planning out the day. Now, I know we all love being spontaneous and going with the flow, but sometimes having a rough idea about our day is quite important, as it will help you out, clear your time blocks, and of course, increase your productivity. If you're someone who is managing a side hustle, let's say a side business or a YouTube channel, at the same time you're working in a company or you are studying, achieving your degrees, it's very important to manage your time. It can be also a family person. Let's say you are a father of 2 kids and you have a 9-to-5 job, you hardly get a break for your kids. Plan out your days. This will increase a lot of productivity in you, help you fix those tiny little moments here and there for your family or for your side hustle that you're looking for. So start planning. Believe me, it will change your life. Also, 2022 is coming pretty soon, within 2 months. So I'm very excited to, go ahead, get some new planners, and I'll be sharing a lot more planner videos with you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you guys get a planner too. Next tip would be prioritizing. As I mentioned to, create a rough plan or a to-do list earlier, prioritizing is quite important. We all know what we need to do in a complete day, but what is the most important thing that you really need to get done? Once you start prioritizing and once you understand what is the most important thing in your life, you in turn become productive, because you have a very clear idea about what exactly you want. You can prioritize by, of course, getting to know which is going to benefit you the most. Let's say if you're focusing on your body or your active lifestyle, give your gym session or your workout session a priority. Give your work a priority if you are, probably having some financial issues. So start prioritizing things. My next tip would be goal setting. Now, whenever I mention goal setting, doesn't always mean that you're supposed to pick out a paper, write down your goal and paste it. Not everybody loves the pen and paper method. I personally do. But what I mean by goal setting is just to have a target in your mind. Whenever you're planning to, work hard in your life, of course, there is an end target that you want to achieve. It can be anything. So make sure you have that goal, because that goal is going to be the biggest motivation for you to be hardworking or productive throughout the entire day or your entire life till the time you achieve that goal. So always have a very clear goal in your mind and what exactly you want after the hard work and the productiveness you're going to be putting into your life. So be very clear about that. Now, next tip is quite difficult to do, and that is to say no. How many times you had some work, but since one of your colleagues or your friend or your family member called you, let's go out, let's go shopping, and you in turn got into the trap and said yes, and you missed out on your productive or your peak hours. Well, learn to say no at some point, because you can't always be available for everyone. And if you really want to boost your productivity, no is actually a yes for your productivity. So learn to say no. The last and the bonus tip that I want to say is rewards. Now, usually a lot of people mean by rewards is gifting yourself something, of course, or anything related to food, or probably any free time on phone. But what I mean by productive rewards is reward yourself with something that is actually going to help you increase your productivity. Like here, I rewarded myself with a new planner and a new habit tracker, which is of course going to help me with my productivity in future. So have smart rewards in place, which is not only going to make you feel happy because you got a gift from yourself, but it actually helps you boost your productivity when you use it in the further part. So that's what I call smart rewards, and that way you can increase your productivity at the same time giving yourself a reward as well. So guys, these were my tips on how you can increase productivity or have a productive life in general. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.